granddaughter woke up while I was trying to film this. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So, here at my new house, I have a little front porch, and in my community, I've been seeing a lot of the houses with this new fad going on with the welcome signs. So, I've been pricing them, at Hobby Lobby and so forth, and to me the prices are just crazy. So at my last place I had this piece of wood that I used as a shelf over top of my washer and dryer unit, and I bought it here. I said I can use it for something, so I figured I'm going to do my own welcome sign. So as you see, I still have the L brackets on here, so we're going to get these off and get started on the project. So I got my drill. I'm just going to take these out, these screws in here. Okay everyone, so I have cleaned off the board, and this is how tall this board is. And as you can see over there, wave to everybody. Hi. Granddaughter woke up while I was trying to film this, so she's going to be joining us. I may have to cut some things out, but all I want to do is spray paint this. I have my gloves and I have my mask on, and it may look like she's close, but she is really not. And I'm just gonna do a test to see if it is too fumy for her, and then I'm gonna take her back in the house. Yeah, because the spray is too hard. Okay, y'all, I'm back. The board is dry. Didn't take long. So I'm going to work on the second coat, and then I'll be back. Alright, after 3 weeks later, I started back working on the project. I had some teeth removed and the grandkids went home. So I just printed out some letters online, and now I'm just tracing the welcome sign. And I should have used cardstock, but use what you have. Regular copy of paper is fine. And now I'm just going to remove the letters. And during this process, I tried to upload this about 3 times and I had to start all over. So after I removed the letters, I did start painting, and I used a Tuscan red from Walmart. And here is almost the finished product. Alright y'all, so we put our little design on the welcome sign. Ariana painted it. And just to give it some color. And this is what it's looking like. I think it came out pretty good for this being the first time me trying to do this. We are going to put the final coat on this. So I went to Lowe's and picked up this can of polyurethane clear gloss. We're going to cover this mask. And if you haven't seen these kits in the Dollar Tree, they're really good, and for, you know, one application, or if you're painting something real quick, and these are disposable for $1. And you get a roller, brush, and a little kit, just FYI. So I'm just going to pour this in here. I don't think I need a lot. Now, using the roller, I see that there's like little textures on it from going back and forth, so I am going to use the brush that it came in with the Dollar Tree kit and just do some even strokes to get all of that texture from the roller out. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments section if you like style A. We'll call this it on the front porch as you're coming up and going inside the house. And here is style 2. I have it off of the porch, leaning up against the siding. So this will be style B. And my lovely granddaughter, truly, Ariana, who helped me complete this welcome sign. Y'all stay blessed, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it.